Ioja's Minty Ginger-Basil Chicken Dinner. Ingredients needed for prep: 1 large skinless, boneless chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon walnuts, 1 tablespoon fresh mint, 2 tablespoons fresh basil, and 1/4 onion. At least 4 hours prior to cooking, crush walnuts, dice onion, slice chicken into chunky strips. Additional ingredients for marinade: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon minced ginger paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon powdered clove. Place olive oil, ginger, soy sauce, pepper, and clove in a resealable bag. Seal and mix thoroughly. Open and add walnuts, onion, chicken, basil, and mint. Close bag, coat chicken completely with marinade, and refrigerate. Ingredients for salad prep: iceberg lettuce, cherry tomatoes, black olives. Approximately 25 minutes prior to serving, rinse and drain lettuce, quarter cherry tomatoes, slice black olives, set aside. Ingredients for rice prep: pre-cooked rice, 2 tablespoons leek, 1 cup fresh mushrooms. Slice leeks and mushrooms into small chunks. Measure 1.5 cups rice. Additional ingredients needed: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic paste, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon chicken broth granules, 1/2 cup water. Heat a frying pan on medium. Add olive oil, leeks, garlic, mushrooms, and pepper. Begin browning chicken with marinade in a separate frying pan on medium heat. Thoroughly combine rice, chicken broth granules, and water to mushroom mixture. Reduce heat on chicken. Stir occasionally. Bring rice mixture to a low boil. Lower heat and cook until liquid is reduced, stirring occasionally. Additional ingredients needed: creamy cheese dressing, dried oregano flakes. Meanwhile, place lettuce in a small bowl, top with cherry tomatoes and olives, drizzle with dressing, and sprinkle with oregano flakes. Optional ingredients needed: chopped fresh basil sprigs. Sprinkle chopped basil on salad. Remove rice from heat and plate. Add chicken and garnish with basil sprig. Serve, and bon appetit!